Hi friends, welcome. We'll continue our learning on Colab platform. We are learning Python on different libraries. Now we'll move towards managing data. So for that we need a data source, or a best data source is Kaggle. So Kaggle is a Google platform again where you can download a data source or upload it, or even we can use the APIs available in the Kaggle to directly collect the dataset from the Kaggle platform to our Colab platform and work on it. We will learn more about this API and how we will integrate it to our Colab platform. Visit this URL, you will get all the instructions how to get the API key and all from the Kaggle. So anyway, we'll see that also. But here you will get all the source codes to run also. You get instructions here how you will import the file, then how to configure the access and all. So here you can read all this and come down. Here you will get a link to GitHub page where all the source code is also available. Now you can just click this, you will land in our GitHub page here. You can just save this Jupyter notebook, you can save the entire source code or click this open in Colab. So before that you must log into your Colab account in your browser. So you will land here. So the entire source code is here one by one. The cell you can run and get the data or whatever you want to do. But note that here you have to upload our API key or the JSON key what you have get it from the Kaggle. That we'll see now. Visit this kaggle.com. So here we are. So you can just click the sign in or register button based on what you have this. So click the register button, you will be presented with the lot of options here. So you can still sign in. So and by using any of these options to enter into the system. After you log into the system, at the top right you will see your profile and click that profile and then go to the settings. Inside your settings, scroll down, you will get a link here, API section, you will get a create a new token. Once you click the create new token, you will be prompted. Then your previous token will be deleted. You can download the kaggle.json file into your local system and save it here in your local path. We have our API key in JSON format. If you see the file, you will have the username and the API key only. Two data will be there. So this JSON file will place it in our Colab platform and start using it. I will show you how you will install the library also. But note that in Colab, that by default this Kaggle library is already available. But I will show you that because you can, if you are working in some other platform, you can use the same process. I am in my Colab platform. I can run the first cell. Okay, before that I must connect to my account. So in my Colab platform, I am running this because though it is available, I am just showing it. So you can any other platform also you can install it, this Kaggle library. Now next is I have to integrate my JSON file or my API key with this system. So with this Colab platform, particularly this session. So there are different ways are there. Here is one is I can run this second cell. So this will present me the file browser and allow me to open it. I can point to the JSON file and upload it. Otherwise, here also, because here this will all my uploaded files will appear here. So I will just click here, upload it, point to my Kaggle file. Yeah, okay, fine. Now my kaggle.json file is placed here. I will run my next cell. So this cell will move my JSON file to a particular location from where the library will pick up my API keys and link it up. So I have to just run this code only. So here I am running the code. So is placed is try to downloading the dataset. Now my Kaggle file is there. Let me just, it has gone from here. So shifted to the my Kaggle directory which I have created above. Now JSON file is placed there. Now my next step is to download the datasets. Now let's go to our Kaggle again to see what is the path of our dataset. We are inside our Kaggle. So hit that dataset tab and log in if you are not already logged in. So browse this, all the data sets on different categories, you will get it here, or you can even come to the top, search it here. We'll see Titanic we are searching. So let's just see, here it is, this data set will go. Let's just see this data set. Fine. So this is the one which you have planned to download it. So here is the download button. What we will do is copy this much part only. So this part is the what we will be using to download. See here, once you are here, this is the what we have copied from there from our Kaggle. So that is what we are placing it here and running it. So once we run this dataset will be downloaded to our system here. We'll get the zip file here. So yeah, you can see here Titanic dataset.zip is available now here. So let's scroll down, and what you will do is we'll unzip it. So because inside this it will be there. So fine, your Titanic dataset CSV file is there. If you have any other other things here there, say JSON file around, you can remove that. So the next one only, remove the original source zip file and JSON file if anything is there. Fine, now I have only here is my CSV file. I have left with my CSV file only. Now let's just create the data frame. Now with these we will be importing Pandas. Now Pandas is by default available in our Colab platform. This Panda is a data analytics library from Python library, quite useful for data handling. And also here it is, the import Pandas as PD. So we are it is this library by default is already there in our. So in your local system, if you are working, you may have to pip install Pandas. You have to do it. Now let's just run this, and you see this is the head. Means first 5 rows summary it will display. First 5 rows let's display and see this. So yeah, two things it does. It imports Pandas. Then here you can see file name. Here it is there, the Titanic dataset. I am just reading from here. This is the one. Read underscore CSV is the function because it's a CSV file, comma separated value file. So that file I am reading it here. 5 records are first it is displayed. Now let me just run one more. See, let's see in our database how many rows and columns are there, because now it is a Pandas data set. So I can do lot of analysis. So it has total number of rows is 89, 891, total number of columns is 12. Now further if I want, I can continue. So this is how the dataset we have imported to Colab. That's all friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and you will continue learning in your Colab platform or in your desktop platform also. This downloading the data sets and working more on it. So friends, if you have any idea, doubt, suggestion, questions, use the comment section below to post it. And my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as an when we add tutorial, and we are frequently adding that also. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.